Why cooling down matters for runners.
Cooling down after a run is essential for injury prevention and muscle recovery. As your body transitions from high activity to rest, targeted stretches help relax your muscles, reduce cramp risk, and encourage healthy blood flow. Skipping this step can lead to stiffness, soreness, or even injuries. Incorporating a few quick stretches into your routine makes a big difference for both comfort and performance.
Hamstring stretch, loosen tight legs.
Hamstring stretches help release tension along the back of your thighs. Stand upright, place one heel slightly ahead of you, and bend forward gently at the hips, keeping your back straight. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds on each side. This stretch can ease post-run tightness and support flexibility, reducing the likelihood of hamstring strains.
Quadriceps stretch. Protect your knees.
The quads work hard during running and need special attention after. Stand tall, bend one knee, and hold your ankle behind you, pulling your heel towards your glutes. Keep your knees together and hold for 15 to 20 seconds per leg. This simple stretch helps maintain knee alignment and protects against common running injuries.
Calf stretch. Prevent cramps and Achilles issues.
Calf cramps and Achilles problems often stem from tight lower leg muscles. Face a wall and place your hands on it for support. Step one foot back, keeping it flat on the ground and your leg straight, while the other leg bends. Lean gently forward. Hold the stretch for 15 to 20 seconds and switch legs.
Hip flexor stretch. Boost flexibility.
Tight hip flexors can cause discomfort and limit your stride. From a standing position, step one foot back into a gentle lunge. Lower your hips while keeping your back upright and push forward slightly to feel a stretch in the front of your hip. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds per side. This boosts hip mobility and helps prevent lower back pain.
Easy upper body stretch. Relax shoulders and back.
Don't forget your upper body. Arms and back tense up during runs too. Clasp your hands behind your back and gently lift your arms, opening your chest and pulling your shoulders back. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds, keeping your breaths slow and deep. This stretch helps improve posture and reduces upper body soreness.
Tips for safe, effective cool downs.
Let your time stretching and never force your body into pain. Hold each stretch steadily, breathe deeply, and avoid bouncing. Aim for a total cool down time of 5 minutes. Regular cool down routines keep muscles healthy, reduce injury risk, and make running more enjoyable. Listen to your body and adjust as needed for your individual comfort.